Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide number on Android phone. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, guys, how do you hide number on Android phone? Meaning that if you hide your number on your Android phone, all your outgoing calls will be seeing your calls as private number. Now, for you to do that is very simple. All you need to do is come to your phone app. From there, guys, when you click on your phone apps, just click on this setting icon. From there, go ahead and click on career features. When you click on career features, it will bring you to this calling account. Just choose the number. From there again, go ahead and click on additional settings. When you click on additional settings, we have two options. Then click on this caller ID. Under this caller ID, we have network default, hide number, and show number. Just go ahead and click on hide number. When you click on hide number, you can see number hidden in outgoing calls, meaning that all your outgoing calls, your number will be hidden and they won't be able to see your number. So guys, that is how to hide number on Android phone. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.